Hey everyone, welcome back to the Flavour-O-Rama channel. Today we are going to make these savory and delicious seafood croquettes. These croquettes are packed full of flavor, versatile, and can be paired with plenty of sides or be enjoyed on their own. If this sounds good to you, please stay tuned and enjoy. In this recipe, for the crispy breadcrumb coating, we are going to use a mixture of panko breadcrumbs and crackers. The more flaky and buttery the crackers are, the better. We want to take the crackers and crush them. To crush the crackers, place them in a Ziploc bag, seal the bag closed, and begin to roll over the bag with a rolling pin. Crush the crackers into fine crumbs. A food processor can be used in this step as well. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are liking what you see here, go ahead and like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Your taste buds will thank you for your participation. Next, begin to peel and shred the carrots. First, make sure the carrots are cleaned. Then, to begin to shred the carrots, a vegetable peeler may be used, or a standing grater may be used also to save time. Make sure the carrots are in fine shreds, then set aside. Next, begin to cut and dice the shallots and mince the garlic cloves. 1 medium onion can be used and added in this recipe as well. Now, begin to chop the green onion. Make sure to separate the white part and the green part of the onion. Put aside the white part with the shallot and garlic. Set aside the green portion of the onion with the remaining fresh herbs to be mixed in with the fish later. Now, begin to chop the celery leaves. Now, begin to chop the fresh parsley. Gather the remaining of the ingredients, such as the dry seasonings, the flour, and panko breadcrumbs, and set to the side. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are liking what you see here, go ahead and like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Your taste buds will thank you for your participation. Begin to heat oil in a pan. Then, begin to saute the shallots, garlic, and onion in the oil until softened. Make sure to continue to stir the ingredients to prevent burning. Next, add the fish. Any white flaky fish will be great for this dish. For now, we will use fresh cod. Make sure that the fresh fish is cleaned and chopped into bite-sized pieces before cooking. This makes it easier to break up the fish into smaller pieces for the croquettes. Then, add in the white wine and stir. Cover the pot and simmer for 2 minutes. Uncover the pot and begin to break up the fish into smaller pieces. Continue to stir until the fish is cooked for about 3 minutes, and then take the pot off of the heat. Next, begin to add all the prepared herbs, flour, and breadcrumbs to the fish. Then add in the olive oil and Dijon mustard and mix. If the mixture has too much moisture or is too soft, additional breadcrumbs may be added to the mixture. Cover the pot and put the mixture in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Begin to add the oil for frying the croquettes into the pan. Next, prepare the breadcrumbs and beaten eggs to fry the croquettes. Make sure to whisk the eggs into a smooth texture. After taking the mixture out of the fridge, begin to form the shape of the croquettes, which will be about the size of the palm of your hand. Shape all the mixture and set aside for frying. To help the croquettes keep their shape, place in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Heat up the oil on medium heat. To begin to fry the croquettes, take the shaped mixture, dip in the egg and then in the breadcrumb mixture. Place in the hot oil. Continue to flip the croquettes until both sides are golden brown. When both sides are completely fried, place on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. And that's it! Now you have golden, tasty seafood croquettes. Serve with a squeeze of lemon juice and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the Flavour-O-Rama channel, and we will see you next time.